Make sure that you have the Pulse 2 app downloaded on your phone. Then power up the hub and confirm that the blue LED is blinking right on the top. Connect the Ethernet cable to the hub. Ethernet provisioning helps to overcome 5 GHz and mesh networks. Now open the Automate Pulse 2 mobile app and log in with your account information. Follow the Quick Start guide and select Yes. Now create a new location by pressing the New Location button. Enter the location name and then press the Save button. Now select your location and then press Next. Press Next again. Click on the New Hub button and then press Next. Select Pair Hub with Cable. Then select Next. Select your time zone. Then select Next. Select the hub you wish to pair with Ethernet while ensuring the hub ID is the same. Press Next again. Enter your Wi-Fi password and press Next. Press Next again. Success! Now your hub has been successfully paired.